Understanding WEP cracking. WEP cracking involves exploiting the weaknesses in the WEP encryption protocol, particularly its use of short 24-bit installation vectors and vulnerabilities in the RC4 stream cipher. The process typically starts with capturing a large number of packets from the target network using tools like Airmon-ng and Aerodum-ng, which collects the IVs. Once enough packets are gathered, statistical analysis is performed using a tool like Aircrack-ng to analyze the IVs and detect the WEP key. This method takes advantage of the fact that the same IVs are reused, allowing an attacker to eventually recover the key and gain unauthorized access to the network. Despite its simplicity, WEP's significant security flaws make it relatively easy to crack compared to the modern day encryption standards like WPA, WPA2, and WPA3. So, weak key management, weak encryption, and lack of robust integrity checks. So, weak encryption, the RC4 vulnerabilities, the RC4 itself has weaknesses, particularly when used with a static key and short IV. This makes it easier for attackers to perform attacks like FMS and which can recover the encryption key. And weak key management like static keys, WEP uses a static key that does not change, making it vulnerable to key recovery attacks. Once a key is compromised, all the encrypted data can be decrypted. And for WPA and WPA2, the data cannot be easily decrypted like how we decrypt it in the WPA cracking. So, and the CRC32 weaknesses, the CRC32 which is used by the WEP for data integrity and not cryptographically secure, and can be manipulated by attackers to alter the data without any detection. So in summary, while WEP was a step towards securing wireless networks, its encryption and methodology and key management were flawed, leading to its eventually replacement by more secure protocols. So I hope you understood what WEP cracking is all about, and in the next videos we'll take a look at how to crack WEP in Kali Linux.